Hello, welcome to my home lab. This new video I want to explain GitHub actions with environment variables and secrets. We start on the website from GitHub actions. You can find a lot of information here. We have also store information in variables. Again, with some info. Automatic token authentication and managing your personal access tokens. We start with creating our personal access token. Therefore, we go to our repository to see the repositories from previous videos. We go to settings, all the way down, developer settings, personal access token. See it here. Open it. Tokens classic. Click on it and you see I have two tokens from previous videos. Today we create a new token. Generate new token classic. Click on it and authentication code. This token. Verify. And we are in. We give it a name. My home lab. Token. Expiration day 7 days. So when the video is published, the token is expired. So you have to create your own token. You have a lot of scopes here. See it here, all the way down. We use delete packages and write packages. Generate token. And you see here, we have the token. You see the text? Make sure to copy your personal access token now. You won't be able to see it again. So you need to copy it, click on it. If you refresh the page and you don't have the token is lost. I open text editor and paste it for future use. Put it down and go back to our repositories. Now we open Visual Studio Code, reboot connection, connect current window to host, Fedora server. You see opening reboot, and we are inside. The first thing is to create a directory for our new repository. So we click here, terminal, new terminal. We are at the home directory, ls. You see directories from previous videos. We go to programming, ls. Again, directories from previous videos. We go to git projects. And ls, and you see again directories from previous videos. We create a new directory, mcard here, GitHub actions. Okay, ls, and we see GitHub actions, we have the directory. Now we can open our Explorer, open folder, the home directory, go down, programming, get projects, and GitHub actions. Click on it and OK. First, we create a sample text file. So, text. Okay. Now we go to source control. Publish to GitHub. You see GitHub actions, the name. You can change that or you can leave it like it is. And here you have two choices. A private repository or a public one. For me, it's a public one. You select the files, we have only one selected, OK. Busy, and it's done. Now we can go to our browser and refresh the page. As you can see, GitHub actions, open it, and we have one file text empty, of course. Go back. It's the time to create a secret. We go to settings, but the settings from our repository, not the settings from here. Settings, go down, secrets and variables. Click on it, actions, and you see we have secrets and variables. See, new repository variable. For now it's secrets. Create new repository secret. Give it a name, my home lab token, and the token. You remember from previous this video, we have put the token here on our editor. Copy it and paste it here. Now add secret. Okay. And you see the secret here. My home lab token. We're going to use that further on the video. We can go back to Visual Studio Code, go to our Explorer and create our first action. First, a new folder. .headcap. It's very important to use that name. Enter. In the same directory, again, a new folder, workflows. Enter. Now in this directory, we create a file. New file. I call it main.yaml. The name, you can choose what you want. YAML is important. You see also the icon here, the same from the icon from GitHub Actions. So Visual Studio Code recognize the flow. Enter. And we can edit our first action. I prepared a block of code and paste it in. As you can see, we give it a name. The name, you can choose whatever you want. You're going to see that later and on the website. On, that's the event. Workflow dispatch means manual start the action. And what we're going to do when we start the action, a job or many jobs. For now, it's one job. The job's name, greeting job. We run the job on an Ubuntu latest with the following steps. The first is the name start. And we run echo start GitHub action. You're going to see that in a minute when we run it. Second step is say hello world. Again, run echo greeting Willy, my name. Hello world from my home lab. Today is Monday. Later on the video, we're going to change these two variables. The last step is end, run echo, end of GitHub action. We save it, Control S, and commit it. Control, create, action. Commit it, and sync it. Okay, we go to our site, go to the code, and you see we have our directory, open it, main.yaml, and we have here our action. If we go now to actions here on the top, actions, you see greeting. You remember the name? Here, greeting. Have it here. You click on it, and this workflow has a workflow dispatch, event trigger. This one, run workflow. Click on it, main branch, run workflow. Okay. It's gonna appear here. Only take a minute. Mix ready. Et voilà. We have here a greeting and it's okay. It's green. See it here now, and it's run takes 10 seconds. We click on it, and you see you have the flow. Set up job, some information, start, it's the first step, remember that. Start GitHub action, see it here. Then say hello world, open it. Greeting, Willy, hello world from my home lab. Today is Monday. Last step, end. End of GitHub action. The job is clean up. We go back to our code, go back to Visual Studio Code, and do some programming for variables. The first variable is one for the whole action. I put it here between on and jobs. Make some space and paste it in. See, we have environment, env, environment, name, that's the name you're going to use, and my home lab. So what we do here, we go down, my home lab, we remove, we do $, name, capital. Okay. The second one is an environment day of week. We put it below run on Ubuntu latest. Make some space. Paste it in. Sorry. Okay. Again, environment, env, day of the week. That's the name of the variable, Monday. This environment variable is only for the greeting job. This one, name, is for the whole action. You can have many jobs. Job 1, 2, 3, and that's for all the jobs. This one is only for this job. So what you do, you remove Monday, $, day of week. Okay, and the last, copy it, is for only this step. Paste it in. Okay. Okay. Again, env, environment, first name. So you see, it's not only necessary to put capital letters. You can also do like this. And my name. This environment variable is only for this step. You cannot use it here or here. So what we do, we remove the name, again, $, first, and name. Okay, so now we use variables on here, here, and here. Control S to save it, and go to here to commit the changes. So we do update main action. Commit it and sync it. Now we go to our browser, refresh, workflows, main, and you see we have everything here. Now we can go to actions, see action from before, greeting, click on it, trigger it, run it. Okay, can we wait a minute before it takes 10 seconds, sometimes more, sometimes less. Here we are. Now, and 9 seconds. We click on it, click on the greeting job, and again, setup job. Probably that's the same. Start. Nothing changed here. Start GitHub action. Say hello world. See now, greeting, my name from the variable. You see it here, first name, the name. Hello world from my home lab. See name here. And today is Monday, here, day of week. And is now changed. And complete job is cleanup. Now we're gonna use variables from GitHub. We go back to our code. To start the next step of this video, we need to create a couple of variables. Therefore, we go on our repository to settings, go down secrets and variables, actions, and you see again secrets and variables. You click on variable, new repository variable, and we give it a name. I do first name, copy it, first name var, and my first name. Add variable, okay. Second one, for last name. So create new repository variable, the name, last name var, the name you can choose whatever you want, and my last name. Add variable. So you can see we have two variables. You see also, you can see the value and you can edit it. Later on this video, we're going to do secrets. That's another story. You can go to secrets. See here, we have the secret, but you don't see the value. And if you go here to edit it, the value is gone. You have to replace it with a new value. Now we go back to our code. Okay, Visual Studio Code. And we change the last step. Prepare it, copy it, and paste it in. Before end of GitHub action, paste it, $, curly braces, vars, dot, first name var, the name of the variable, space, again, $, curly braces, var, dot, and the name of the second variable, again, space, end of GitHub actions. Okay, save it, Control S, commit it, update main action. Okay, commit it and sync it. Now we go back to our browser, refresh it, open the directory, open main.yaml, and you see we have our change. Now we go to actions, greeting. See, we run it 2 times already. Greeting, run workflow, take a minute, mostly 10 seconds, something like that. Et voilà. Now and 9 seconds. Open greeting job. We open the first setup job, it's not changed. Start is also not changed. Say hello world is also not changed, but the end is changed. You see, my name, first name, last name, end of GitHub actions. For the last step, we're going to use a secret. You remember we created a secret in the first part of the video. Now we're going to use it in our action. Therefore, we go back to code and Visual Studio Code. In this last step, we're going to use a secret. We change the first step. I do pipe here, or we can do multiple lines. First line stays, second line, copy it, because we have to do something special. Paste it. Okay, so we do second line echo, the text token, and then secrets, again, a dollar sign, open curly braces, secrets dot my home lab token. You remember that from first video. And then we do something special, because if we only show secrets dot my home lab token, we see stars. We have to decode it. So Control S, save it, commit it, update main action. Okay, commit it, sync changes. Okay, go back to our browser. You see, open main. It here. I have changed the folder. Go to actions, waiting, run the workflow, run it, wait a little bit, so it appears, only a little time. And voila, you have no. So now and 9 seconds, greeting, we open it, the greeting job, open it, setup job is not changed, start, you see, run echo start GitHub action, that's the first line, second line token, and then the token, what? With a space between the letters. So you cannot use it like that. Say hello is not changed, and the end also not changed. Complete job. To finish it is clean up the processes. This was it for today. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe and give a thumbs up. Thank you very much and see you later.